Hi there, I am Vinod Kumar Gajla. I am going to demonstrate you how can a visually impaired solves Rubik's Cube. And I am happy to let you know that I am the fastest Rubik's Cube solver in visually impaired category around the world. And I hold current Limca Book of Records. You can see this cube. To the yellow, I didn't paste anything. To the white, I pasted big buttons. To the red, I pasted diamonds. To the orange, I pasted vertical kundans. To the blue, I pasted stars. To the green, I pasted plain buttons. Through this, I can touch and feel the colors and I can solve it. I'll show you how do I solve. I scrambled it. I am going to start solving. I have solved it. You will see. And I am interested to guide other visually impaired who wants to start cubing. I am happy to help them if they need any guidance. If you know any visually impaired who is interested in solving Rubik's Cube, you can guide him to attach with various types of buttons, however he is comfortable. And I'll provide Facebook link in the description. You can contact me anytime. I'll help as soon as possible. And I thank Siddhantana and I to for designing this cube for me. And thank you.